Today we're going to review the Adobe Firefly Styles. So this is our cute little model, Billy the Bull. And I want to add a bit of interest. So I'm thinking I want to see how he looks with a cowboy hat. So let's type in the form wearing a cowboy hat. Oops, cowboy hat. Let's see how that looks. Okay, it's starting to look really funny. So I'm actually going to clear the style because currently it does have graphics set to it. So these are the options. We have all, which will show you all of the styles available: popular, movement, themes, techniques, effects, materials, and concepts. And we're going to start with movements. The first one is steampunk. These look so good. Let's do a close-up. These are hilarious. I love this one. Did they give him a vest? That is so cute. Number 2 is Synthwave. These look really cool. I love this one. That's really fun. Number 3 is Vaporwave. Number 4 is science fiction. Number 5 is psychedelic. The backgrounds on these are really interesting. Number 6 is fantasy. Number 7 is pop art. Number 8 is minimalism. Number 9 is maximalism. Number 10 is Cubism. Number 11 is Cyberpunk. I think this is my favorite so far. The Cyberpunk style always creates really interesting images. I love this one. And number 12 is the Baroque. So these are the 12 options for the movement settings in the styles tabs.